What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about multiple income funnel or 30-minute workday funnel. Which one should you choose? Now, I'm not going to do a side-by-side comparison showing the websites or anything like that because I am in the 30-minute workday Freedom Launchpad, but I am not a member of my income funnel. But I have watched several videos on it, just to get a good idea about the system and how it works. And it's really nothing new. Mac Mills puts out some wonderful, systems, some nice systems that earn people income if people actually implement and, do the marketing or promotion side of it. And it's the same with any business opportunity. It doesn't matter what you get in. If you're not willing to market and promote, then you're not going to make any sales. But just to make this video not too long, let's kind of look at the multiple income funnel. Okay, on the front end, there's a $49, I believe, $49 entry fee where you earn $20 a month. Then there's a $2 processing fee, so you actually earning $18 per month. Then there's Easy One Up where you can earn one-time commission from $25 up to $2,000. And then there's Text by IA or AI, okay, where you can earn $100 on that. There may be some residuals in that. I'm not sure, but I don't think so because I'm not a member of Text by IA. Okay, and then there's like a $500 level in there. Now that's just going from videos that I have heard. Okay, and you have to purchase credits, of course, if you want to send out text messages, which is understandable. And then the fourth income stream is actually traffic authority now, which is a place where you can purchase solo ads. Just so you know, I am a member of Easy One Up at the $1,000 level, and I have had traffic authority before in the past, which is something I'm actually looking to getting back into in 2021, okay, for traffic purposes as far as solo ads are concerned, just to purchase clicks, okay. So I'm looking to get back in there, but I do not have TextBot AI, and I do not have the multiple income funnel system. Okay. Now, I want you to understand something as I say this. I want you to really pay attention. Look at the YouTube videos. The majority of the people who are joining multiple income funnel, okay, are people who already have, okay, Easy One Up, TextBot IA, and they're probably already using traffic authority. Okay. So the only thing they're really paying for is the system on the front end, which is $49. Understand this also, that when you watch those YouTube videos and they are showing you the sales that they are making, understand they already have a following. Okay. They already have a following of people who have already joined them in those programs already. And so they're just getting the system. Okay. So if you are a newbie coming into multiple income funnels, then there's the purchase of the system, getting an Easy One Up, okay, at whatever level you want to come in at, getting text by AI, and getting traffic authority. Okay. So understand traffic authority, just so you know, it costs you $20 per month to be an affiliate for that. Plus, there's a $27 charge per month if you want the trainings that they have. It's not necessary. Then there's a $97 charge for something else that they have. But that's not on top of the traffic that you have to purchase. Now, the lowest traffic package is $220 for 170 to 190 clicks, okay, which is not bad. You can probably spend more than that on Google or Bing because you're just paying for clicks on those platforms as well. Okay, so just understand that with Easy One Up, like I said, it's $25 plus an admin fee, $250 plus an admin fee, $500 admin fee, $1,000 admin fee. When I came in at the $1,000, I had to pay like a $250 admin fee. And then if they're 2,000, I think it's like a $500 admin fee on that. On top of that, they do have a financing program where you can finance it, and if you want to come in at the higher level. But also understand that if you come in at one of the lower levels, let's just say the $500 level, if you come in on the $500 level and someone joins through the system at the $1,000 or the $2,000 level, then you miss out on that income. Okay. Also understand that it just as it said, easy one up, there is one pass up somewhere in the flow. I think you get the first commission and then the second one goes up to your sponsor, whoever it is, like that. So those are some things you have to look at. Also understand, like I said, Mac Mills, he's a wonderful marketer. I'm not down in the man. Okay, he knows what he's doing. He's put together systems in the past. If you ever been in MCA or heard of it, he had a system for that. He had a system for some other business opportunities and things like that. But one thing I just want you to be cautious of is that once he decides to move on, what becomes of that system, this system, multiple income funnel. That's not to say it's going to go away soon, but it's just something to think about. Okay, you do get access to your lead. There's I think some emails in there that you can, send out there. He gives you several different tools to work with in there. He does all the emailing for you. Unless you want to do it yourself, then you can set up your own autoresponder. So the system is good. Am I going to get it? No. Okay. So with that being said, let's look at the 30-minute workday. Okay. Now the 30-minute workday, you have to kind of go back into the past a little bit, a few months back. Before the new 30-minute workday came out, it was a free system as well. It was free. People only had to purchase the autoresponder and the funnel builder with the perhaps of an upsell during the process, and people were making money off that. But the owner of that system, he didn't like the type of people that it was attracting. Okay, and he didn't like the way people were marketing the system, so he revised it. He made some changes to it and things, and which I can understand that, because you can get certain people into a system that just messes it up, okay, for everybody. So the new 30-minute workday system has 4 income streams in it. One is the first sale. First thing you're going to do is when somebody comes to your capture page, you're going to offer them a free guide, a free PDF, okay, that they can automatically just download it, go to their email and download. Okay, so you're giving them something away for free. But then when they go through the process, they come to the first sale, a purchase that they can make. There's a $27 purchase, okay, to get the funnel. Let me remember what it's called. To get the funnel, a Freedom Launchpad, which is a series of several videos, 7 trainings, 7 step-by-step trainings that you get in there. Then there's a $17 order bump, okay, that someone has the option to purchase, okay, if they want to get that, and that gives them some emails, okay, 30-minute workday email series, the traffic series, and plus you get an extra 50 emails on the order bump. Okay, so that's how you get that. That right there, if someone purchases those 2 things, you get like a $35.20, 20-some cent commission. Okay, when they move through that process, okay, so there's 2 right there. Okay, now that money is to be used for you to put back into traffic, not for you to pocket, to put back into traffic. Now there's 100, as they move on the next step, there's a $125 offer made to them. Okay, on that $125, that is residual. We earn $100 residual monthly. Okay, so that's another income stream, and what they get with that is the HBA premium, which gives you all of the training on how to get traffic, how to get eyeballs on your offer, whatever your business opportunity is. So you're actually going to learn some training in here versus what you're going to learn inside of multiple income funnel. Okay, you're going to get some emails there, and you're going to just go buy traffic. But are you going to learn any skill sets to get the training that you need, that whatever business opportunity that you join, that you are going to be successful? Okay, so you get that, and they have Facebook ads training, YouTube training, Instagram training, solo ad training, just several different types of training that you're going to get access to in the HBA Premium. That's $125, okay, per month for someone, where you actually earn $100 commission versus earning $20 commission, $18 commission with MIF, okay. Then after that, if they decided they don't want it, then there's a down sale to it, to where they can actually get it for $50, where you still earn a commission on that. Okay, so they are working the system. They have it worked out in this funnel where everything is going to work out for you good. But here's the thing: on the end of that, they also have a high ticket program. Okay, one-time offer, which is called the Financial Literacy Academy, where if someone purchases on the first round going through the funnel, you can earn up to $400 on a $500 purchase. If they decide they don't want it, and then at a later date decide to get it, then it's going to cost them $1,000, where you earn $800 one time. Okay, now, so you have those four incomes: the $27, the $17, the $125, and then the high ticket. But here's the thing: after a few months, the funnel builder itself kicks in for another $25 a month, where you earn another $20 commission. Okay, you're earning another $20 commission. So you have more residual inside of the 30-minute workday Freedom Launchpad funnel than you do inside of MIF, multiple income funnel. And you can get whichever one you choose to get. I'm just laying it out there so you can weigh your options as which one is going to be best for you. If you just want to get a system where you don't have to do anything but just run traffic, then of course get MIF, get the multiple income funnel. But if you want to get a system that's going to actually teach you how to be a marketer, teach you how to promote your business in a professional way, okay, and yet still be able to just purchase traffic, then I suggest you get the I suggest you get, they got getting bottled up in my head. I suggest you get the 30-minute workday Freedom Launchpad, because you're going to be learning how to become a marketer, an affiliate marketer. And it works for network marketers, MLM, whatever type of marketer that you are. Okay, it works for any affiliate marketing business where you don't necessarily. This will teach you how to promote MIF. This will teach you how to promote Russell Brunson product, or Grant Cardone's product, whoever product, ClickBank product, Warrior Plus product, JV Zoop. This is going to teach you how to do that. And if you want to learn the skills that's really going to help you earn some money, then I suggest, it's just my opinion, I suggest 30-minute workday Freedom Launchpad, okay? Because this is a skill set that you can also go out and do services for people, in your hometown, offline businesses, whenever things get back right, so that's the type of things that you're going to learn with the 30-minute workday. You're not going to learn this with MIF, multiple income funnel. So the decision is up to you, which one is going to work for you. If you want to just, done for you, you just purchase the traffic, okay, then go with MIF. But if you want it done for you where you can purchase traffic and learn how to generate traffic on your own as well, which is a skill set, then I suggest a 30-minute workday. Okay, that's just my opinion on these two programs. There's a lot more. I thought about signing up for it just to, MIF, just so I could give you a bird's eye view. But there are plenty of videos on YouTube for you to watch. I have videos on YouTube about the 30-minute workday. Go and check that out. And then just kind of compare the two, whichever one you think may be for you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got value from it. I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to see what you have to say about this video. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you got value. If you're ready to get started with the 30-minute workday, click the link in the description. Also, if you want to contact me, my phone number is below. My YouTube, my Facebook is below. My MeWe is below. Get in contact with me. Let's have a conversation. All of the tools that I'm using, especially to do this video right here, Screencast-O-Matic, is below as well. So with that being said, I hope you get value from this video. I want you to have a great night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.